What if I told you that a few simple vegetables could turn into one of the crunchiest, tangiest, most addictive sides in your refrigerator? Today we are making my spicy homemade vegetable pickles with crunchy cabbage, colorful bell peppers, carrots, onion, white vinegar, Scotch bonnet pepper, and a little chicken bouillon for that incredible savory flavor. It's fresh, crunchy, spicy, tangy, and incredibly easy to make. And it's a fantastic way of adding more vegetables and fiber to your meal. So grab your vegetables, grab a jar, and let's make some seriously delicious homemade pickles. So as a disclaimer, this isn't a magic weight loss food. It is an easy, delicious way to get more vegetables and fiber into your diet. If you have watched my video up to this point, lovelies, you definitely like my content and like this video and share. Liking my videos help boost my visibility a lot on YouTube, and thank you in advance. What routine do you have for making your food or eating more fiber or adding more fiber to your diet? Please drop your comments down below. What you've been fighting with. Have you been fighting with constipation, gut health challenges? Therefore, you have landed on the right channel. Do well to hit the notification button and also hit the subscribe button for more updates on nutritional healthy content like this. Simply chop all your ingredients and assemble everything together. This is how easy it is to make this particular video. For me, I have a food processor that helps make my life much easier in the kitchen, so that is why chopping cabbage or doing this process is not so cumbersome for me. Within 15-20 minutes I am done with these vegetable pickles, and the rest is history. So if you're someone who is very busy and wants to keep your fiber in check and wants to really maintain a healthy, balanced life without really tiring and exhausting on your day, then this is how you buy these ingredients like this food processor, which makes life much easier. I can fit into the food processor, then set it in and help me chop into very thin slices like this you're seeing on your screen. Then I did same with the onion and the Scotch, the bell peppers, but I actually chopped the carrot in another form just for that thin. I wanted that thin nature of the slicing, which my food processor cannot give me that thinness in the carrot chopping. So I did that in another form, which you will be seeing or finding out soon. The goal of this recipe is not a quick way to lose weight, but also a way to maintain your weight by adding more fiber into your diet and also maintaining your gut health. Because when your gut is in order, then your weight loss or maintaining your weight wouldn't be a difficult task for you. Here are some of the health benefits of the ingredients I use in this video. So we'll start with the cabbage. Cabbage provides fiber and vitamin C and is the classic vegetable associated with fermented foods such as sauerkraut. And then carrots provide fiber and beta carotene, which the body can convert to vitamin A. Bell peppers provide vitamin C as well, and also antioxidants and fiber. Onion provide fiber and compounds that can serve as food for gut microorganisms, and onions are also recognized as a source of probiotic compounds. Scotch bonnet pepper brings that heat and flavor while allowing you to make the pickles much more exciting without relying on sugar. And then vinegar gives you the characteristic sharp acidic pickle flavor and helps acidify the mixture. And also I added some lemon, which also helps to bring that vitamin C and also gives that acidity to the vegetables and maintaining the crunch over time in the refrigerator.
This tastes so delicious already. This is my first time doing this, guys. I've always been buying it, so I love this. So this is really great. A great way to add fiber into the diet. I'm really happy doing this by myself at home. This is so addictive. Now it's time to package.
Scratch.